Welcome to Home Tools Idea. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates. Dear friends, are you looking for home meat grinder? Now we will see best 5 home meat grinder from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click in the bell icon. Gourmia GMG525 electric meat grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 1200 and people rate 4.4 out of 5. Specifications: fast and efficient machine, 3 blades for different grinding, reverse option, easy to clean and wash. Kitchen 3-in-1 manual meat and vegetable grinder. Total review of this grinder is 1239 and people rate 4.1 out of 5. Specifications: small sized and lightweight, fine and coarse grinding, smooth handle for grinding, sausage, pasta, spaghetti making option. Please like, comment and subscribe. TOPULORS manual meat vegetable grinder. Total review of this grinder is 353 and people rate 4.3 out of 5. Specifications: food graded plastic body, multi-purpose grinder, stunning design, easy to operate. Bellemain manual meat grinder. Total review of this grinder is 653 and people rate 4.1 out of 5. Specifications: meat pusher tool for safety, durable plastic body, ability to grind semi-frozen meat, easy operating system. Sportsman MHG22 manual meat grinder. Total review of this grinder is 73 and people rate 3.7 out of 5. Specifications: durable metal body, 2 different plates for different methods of grinding, stress-free handle design, easy to clean and wash. Check the description box for more information about the products. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more.